Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. Wagwan. What I say? You know cool? You know Irie? Then cool and man. Haki. I know Jamaican national dish without the saltfish. Tea without condensed milk. I know Jamaican. Patty without cocoa bread. I know Jamaican. Drinking coconut water. Good for your heart. That's Jamaican. Me feel like when they wrap banana leaf round blue drawers. That's Jamaican. When last you see Miss Ray, Harry Neville, that white rum, that's a Jamaican. Me I go a Blue Mountain. Nothing like me cup of boiling coffee in the morning. Ackee and saltfish is a Jamaican national dish. Jamaican now drink them tea without using like a condensed milk to mix it. Real Jamaican. Patty. One patty. Two patty and one cocoa bread. Now left out them cocoa bread. Blue drawers. Using the banana leaf. But before you eat, it's like a pudding made with cornmeal, right? You mix it and whatever. It's, as I said, it's like a pudding, like when you made a cornmeal pudding. But you use banana leaf, cut the leaf and put it over the fire. Then Jamaicans say they quail it, so that way the banana leaf won't break or anything. It's ready to fold, it's soft, and then you just tight, and then put it in the boiling water. The water boil up or come to a boil, whatever you want to call it. And so some people say blue drawers or dukunono, something like that. When last you see Miss Ray, Harry Neville, them a talk about the white rum, Ray Neville, the real white rum, Jamaican white rum. Me a go Blue Mountain. Nothing like your cup of boiling coffee in the morning. Me boil a boiling coffee in the morning. If you find this video informative, funny, make you giggle, please like, thank you, share, thank you, subscribe, thank you, and I thank you as always for watching. Thank you so much.